Hey YouTube, what's happening? It's Richard, founder of Short-Term Rental University and professional real estate developer, and today I have the privilege of inviting you to STRLive OBX. That's right, we are hosting Short-Term Rental University live, Outer Banks edition at Edgecamp Sporting Club. So I would like to invite you to 2.5 days of incredible education and content to help you go from here to there. And at the back end, we have a half-day optional that Ms. Bossy here has prepared, including riding horses on the ocean side and snow cones, or stand-up paddleboarding, kayaking, jet skiing, whatever. So you're there in a great place, and if you want to take an extra half day and recreate, do it. She set it all up for you. So here are the specifics. We'll have 2 sessions due to popular demand. The first one is May 1st through the 4th, and then the second one is May 5th through the 8th. Most of the people that have already bought tickets are bringing their +1, be it a spouse, a child, or their business partner. So we've given you a special rate to encourage you to bring your +1. They're there to help you continue to grow, and also to help support you in your business and your endeavors. And this really is a great family business, so take advantage of the discount and bring your +1. What's the event going to be about? Well, it's 40 entrepreneurs, hosts, professional real estate investors, and people that are looking to grow themselves and their business. As you've heard me say time and time again, you're the byproduct of the people that you surround yourself with. These are the hardest charging, the biggest go-getters, the most aggressive entrepreneurs, the people that really want to do this full-time and professionally and see opportunities and are getting results. So these are the people in the Airbnb world that you want to hang out with, and come and check them out. Friendships have been forged in prior from Miami and Nashville. Real people have gotten together and formed real businesses, co-investments, LLCs, partnerships from these live events. And so you want to hang out and mingle with these people and maybe even partner with them. And what about the results? Well, they speak for themselves. When we posted this on Facebook, and I apologize, I forgot to post this on YouTube. I don't know what I was thinking, but we sold about 75% of the tickets just from one post. And remarkably, half of the ticket sales went to alumni, people that had attended either Nashville in 2019 or Miami in 2019. We took 2020 off due to COVID, so this is the first time that we're back, 2021, in the Outer Banks in May. Here's what else I would tell you. Look at our Facebook group for the results. There's people that have commented when we posted this for ticket sales about their life changes and their transformations, whether they quit W-2 jobs or they went from only hosting in their backyard to remote hosting. Maybe they went from single families to boutique hotels. But the transformation for each individual who attended is mind-boggling, and it's really rewarding for me. I mean, this is my why, right? I want to give back. I want to grow people. I want people to have lives that they wouldn't otherwise have if I didn't guide and help and coach and instruct and mentor. So this is the best way. Proximity is power, and being in the same space with me for 2.5 days. In fact, Erica, I don't know if you know this, but somebody who bought is attending both sessions. They're coming for the first session and the second session, and they're bringing different +1s to the different sessions to continue to grow themselves. And you've heard me say this too, and it's completely true. Repetition is the key to mastery, right? Nobody's become an expert or a master in anything from one. And that's why so many of the alumni have attended not one of these events, but 2 of these events, and why so many are coming back for a 3rd time. So the results speak for themselves. I want you to grow your mind, I want you to grow your business, and I want you to grow your network. And that triangle, that triumvirate, is really powerful to help you. And again, the results speak for themselves. Another really key component, and we've never done this before, and it's an honor to do this. We're hosting it at Edgecamp Sporting Club. This is the epitome of all my teachings. Everything that I've been sharing with you about how to find an off-market opportunity, how to find opportunity where other people don't see it, how to develop these properties, right? I'm developing single-family homes. I'm the 2nd largest landowner on Hatteras Island behind the US government, and they're preserving it as national seashore because it's that beautiful. And we are developing over 50 acres over the course of the next decade. And instead of de-risking like most developers do and selling them, flipping them, what we're doing is we're running them as short-term rentals. So to see this, to live there, to breathe it, to understand what I talk about, attracting your tribe, niching down, brand development, social media, all of these strategies that are critically important as we go forward, you're going to live, breathe, and embody. Every single one of your cells is going to comprehend it. You're just going to absorb it through osmosis. And we learned an awful lot and changed a lot of lives in Nashville. We did the same in Miami, but this one is really special because this is from the ground up everything that I know, everything that I believe in, and it's an incredible honor and opportunity for us to share that together. So please come check us out at Edgecamp. At the same time, we have multiple projects happening at Edgecamp. So for those of you that are interested in purchasing land and doing construction, we're going to have that opportunity. So we're going to tour all these different facilities. And here's the thing I want to share with you. We have 2 great sponsors sponsors that are sending people and or zooming in. We have Host Financial, who's going to be there to help you grow your business and finance your deals. And so a shout out to our gold sponsor, Host Financial. And then Price Labs, another gold sponsor for us. They are going to be there attending and teaching us pricing, dynamic pricing strategies to help us be more profitable. And so the quality of the content, the quality of the sponsors is remarkable. And I want to just say the following. 2020 was perhaps the hardest year that any of us have ever lived through, and hopefully will be the hardest year any of us ever lived through. But the flip side is 2021 could be the best year that we've ever lived through, with the most risks, but also the most rewards if we invest intelligently. So it's critically important that we align ourselves and we position ourselves properly, intelligently, and we take advantage of the opportunities that we're going to be discussing at the Edgecamp Sporting Club. So I'm super excited to invite you. Please go ahead and click on the link in the description to join us. Bring your +1. Pick May 1 through 4 or May 5 through 8, or come to both and bring your +1. We're going to have a great time. Erica's got wonderful food, dining, facilities, and I would be remiss if I didn't mention COVID. Many of us will already have been vaccinated. Erica and I will already have our vaccines. Others are also. For those of you who don't have your vaccines yet, at our expense, we're sending you via FedEx a PCR test. You will just a little saliva test, send it back via FedEx, again at our expense, and you will be marked negative. All of us will be negative and safe and or vaccinated. And if you'd like to wear a mask, wear two masks, whatever makes you feel comfortable. We'll be smart, intelligent, and social distancing. But the key thing is we are going to be together, growing, looking forward. The past is behind us and the best is yet to come. So click in the description and I can't wait to see you there, my friends. Yes.